Okay guys, day 60 of buying Bitcoin every single day, throwing the results up right here right away. You can see I'm basically like 20% down almost. You know, I'm down like $100 for the $600 that I've invested, but this is exactly going to plan. If you guys watched the last video, buying every day for 30 days, I said this is exactly what's going to happen. You know, we're not trying to buy the Pico bottom at the start of this. We're going to be looking for those dips to enter those lump sums into, which I've already done now. Started chipping away a couple $100 buys into these low 60,000s. You know, we've hit a new cycle low now. I'm just so fired up right now because now, you know, we can even start doing an additional $10 of buys every single day to really, like, you know, solidify those lower entries. See if we scroll down, we've had plenty of days in the red now. Like I said in the last video, you know, we had barely had any red days, but it didn't take much for us to get into the negative here. And now we have a great opportunity to start accumulating. Okay, so I'm definitely not going all in right now, but we are positioned very nicely to start adding some more lump sums. So that's exactly what I'm going to start doing. You can see we've only invested about $600 into this market as we're hitting cycle lows. So I don't know if anybody's really been killing it like us. This is after basically selling the Pico top, right? Best case scenario, we're gonna see like at least 4 or 5 more months of a bear market. That'd be the best thing for me, at least personally, because not only am I not investing the money right now, but obviously at the top of the market cycle, we did rotate a lot of capital into some real estate plays that is just about to start to yield more income over the next couple of months. So if we're here to hit a bear market low around October, November of this year, that's going to be basically perfect timing for us, because the real estate that I've purchased is going to be now yielding income that I can funnel back into the lows of the crypto market, and it's basically just timed completely perfectly. You can also see the amount of Bitcoin that we've accumulated, about 0.008, so almost 1% of a Bitcoin, you know, in 2 months without even like noticing it, right? I'm talking about a Starbucks a day, $10, you know, just accumulating a light 1% of Bitcoin. No big deal, but the important part is now it's time to lock in. You know what I mean? We got to decide basically how much Bitcoin we actually want to accumulate in this bear market so that we can plan our exit strategy in the bull market. Now, for everybody that might be different, maybe 10% of a Bitcoin, 50%, maybe a whole Bitcoin, but for $600 right now, we can lump sum and pick up another 1% easy. So that's probably what we're going to do about around these levels, and still, you know, anticipating plenty of opportunity to accumulate more. At this point, with the sentiment and the way the timing of the bear market has gone, I'm not surprised if we hit 40, 50K this bear market. That's not unrealistic at all. I mean, you saw us just go like that from 70, 80K, boom, down to 60K again in like a week. I don't even know. I wasn't even paying attention. But I'm glad, because I was getting bored of crypto, and now, you know, we have something to get a little bit excited about again. So that's probably going to be it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Do you think this is a good strategy? Is there something to do differently? How much lower do you think we're going, if you think we're going lower? And, you know, subscribe to the channel so that we can continue this challenge going forward. Going to do obviously the next one at 90 days, etc., etc., right? That's all for now. Peace, guys. See you in the next one.